I'm Stacey. I'm a civil servant, so I work full time. Home life is fab. Just me and my daughter, so single parent. I signed up to become a foster carer in January last year in 2021. I'm currently in my first placement that we're hoping may turn into a long-term placement because this could be their home for the rest of their life, which we're very much looking forward to finding out. It was about looking for an opportunity to help and support someone else. My daughter is a single child. She was very excited to have someone else here. He now has a sibling to play with, he's got someone to interact with and spend that time to get to know, which is really good because they get to grow and learn from that at the same time. The thing is, for me, I didn't become a foster carer because you get paid to look after a child. I became a foster carer to make a difference, and make a difference in a way that that child, whether it be, as I said, a week or a couple of weeks or months, years, that I've made some sort of stamp on their life. So for me, why not work with the local council? Why not work with the children that are in this area that need the help and support? There may be a few obstacles, but that's where support comes into place. And I know if I pick up my mobile and make a call, I get what I need back. So if I need help or I need guidance or something's happened and I just need someone to talk to, then pick up the phone and you get an answer, and someone can help and support you, guide you through that. But for me, first and foremost, it's sticking with them kids that are local. They've got their own friends, their own support. So you want to try and keep everybody as close as possible. Just reach out. Reach out and ask the question to the local council. You can have a conversation, find out some information of what the process is. I think as long as in your heart you've got enough room to give that empathy and love to another person, you've got the room in your property to do so, jump at it because the rewards are just exceptional.